Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to watch a YouTube video but the audio was too low? Then you definitely find this video helpful. In this video, we will be discussing how you can boost the sound of your YouTube videos on your PC. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google and search sound booster that works. Now open first link, which is sound booster that works extension. Now click here, add to Brave or your browser name. Now click on add extension. And it's done. Now open YouTube. First I will show you how audio was before.
And sources being degraded.
This is on 100%. Now I will turn on extension. Just click on extension.
Degraded. The most obvious answer that comes is
that's it. This is how you can increase your audio on YouTube videos. Thank you.